Good morning.
Ito ang Jod, may energy. At, huwag pa ko kayo nisulti niya. Huwag pa ko na kayo nisulti niya. Kamu ayaw ko kami nanonood. Lagi na kayo. Today, we gather not just to celebrate the holiday season, but to honor a very special group of persons. The Wansyang Group. Wansyang. Ano, i-expire ang mga pagayang. Katong pagayang once, expire na mo ng Wansyang ta. And then, we, the retirees of the BSF, our beloved School of Fisheries Retirees Group. Okay. Sunod. Christmas is a season of gratitude, joy, and togetherness. We are together again. As we share our food here, our stories, our laughter, and our malities. Very important. Remind us that our work before was not just a profession, it is a lifelong calling. Even in retirement, our influence continues to inspire. So let us raise our glasses. To the joy of Christmas and to the gift of friendship. Because friends are gift. Ha? Oo, anak? Every one of us is a gift to another. And in behalf of Group 3, tara, kalitari grupo ha, mga guwapang-guwapo ni. Joe! We welcome you all. Matan, welcome ha, welcome. And to all, may the celebration be filled with love, peace, and blessing. Once again, good morning and welcome everyone.